Okay, so your cube came apart, whatever reason, doesn't matter, and you want to put it back together. I'm going to skip the intro. Okay, so basically, you'd want to start with the side, okay, and apparently we're starting with yellow and green, and well, it's basically yellow, green, we'll line that up, okay, and well, I like to do them now. Let's find yellow and red, it's green and red. Now, I prefer to have mine organized, like corners over here, sides over here. That's just better in my opinion. So let's find green and red. That'll be the job. Okay, green and red right here, and then you bring that in through here. Okay, and now find the green, yellow, red corner. Okay, this is why you want it sorted. It'll make it so much easier. So I just found it right here. Pop it back together. Now, do that to every side on the bottom. It's okay if it doesn't quite line up. It will in the end, okay? Let's just do that to the rest. Let's go. Okay, so you got your first layer done now. Now, you just add in these side pieces, and the top layer is so much different. Let's go into it just like you just did there. You just add in the side pieces, as you did earlier. And there you go. I mean, like, yeah, you can add these side pieces. It'd be better if you did that first. Yeah, let's go. I sat there for like 8 seconds, not doing anything at the end. Okay, now that you got 2 layers done, you want to put these last layer on. Start with the corners. Do the corners first. Well, actually, I do row here, and then row here. Okay, just follow me on that. So basically, as I said, okay, let's get our pieces back in here. Okay, put that in there. Okay. It's okay if your cube is doing that because of springs. It's normal. Trust me. Okay, it's just normal. Okay, now do not. Okay, trust me on this one. Do not put the corner last, or this will be your fate. That right there will be your fate if you put the corner on last. I did that when I was younger. I did that. Worst mistake of my life. That's why you should watch a tutorial on how to do these things. That's why I'm making that tutorial for you to watch. So you can do these things. Red and blue. Okay. Final 3 pieces. The hardest piece on the cube. Hardest pieces on the cube. Now this, so you might want to do that. Oh, that's better. Okay, there we go. Okay, now you take these things, line them up. Come on, buddy. See, line them up. Okay, if you put your corner in slightly twisted, you can untwist it later. You really can when you're done with the cube. Now you put this on the side, 45-degree angle. Spread it. Okay, spread it. Get this bad boy in here the right way. Okay, actually, hold up. Gotta spread the cube. Okay. and then take your piece, put it at a slight angle, making sure that this piece is this way. And then make sure your pieces are getting in there. And then twist it in there. And your cube is good to use. Should be. Yeah.